Most business owners think their commercial policy protects them. It doesn't. I've watched businesses with insurance still lose everything because nobody told them about the 5 gaps hiding in every standard BOP. Let's fix that right now. Gap 1, the cyber coverage illusion. Your BOP's cyber add-on isn't real cyber insurance, it's a liability trap with your name on it. A small consulting firm adds cyber to their BOP, feels protected. Client data breach hits, names, emails, payment information exposed. Their BOP covers basic third-party liability, not forensic investigation, not data recovery, not notification costs, not legal defense. Out-of-pocket $87,000. They had coverage. Here's why bundled cyber is cheap, because it excludes the most expensive parts of breach. Standalone cyber covers forensic investigation, notification, credit monitoring, legal defense, PR response, and business interruption. The cost difference, $500 to $1,200 a year. The coverage difference, $50,000 to $200,000 in actual breach costs. 43% of cyber attacks target small businesses. 60% of those businesses close within 6 months. Ask your agent, does my cyber coverage include first-party forensic costs, notification requirements, and business interruption? If not, you need standalone. Gap number 2, EPLI. Your biggest lawsuit risk isn't covered. General Liability doesn't cover employment claims, which means your biggest lawsuit risk isn't covered at all. Small business, 12 employees, terminates an underperforming employee with documented warnings. Former employee files wrongful termination and discrimination suit. Owner assumes GL covers it. GL carrier says no. GL covers bodily injury and property damage, not employment disputes. Defense costs $89,000. Settlement $71,000. Total $160,000. EPLI would have covered everything, and most business owners have never heard of it. 2 types to know. First party covers claims from your own employees. Third party covers claims from customers, vendors, delivery drivers. Many policies only include first party. One inappropriate comment from an employee to a contractor, that's a third party claim. That's without coverage. It's all on you. Cost for a business under 20 employees, $500 to $1,500 a year. One claim, $160,000. By the way, I put together a simple checklist that walks you through exactly what to look for in your current policy. Links in the description, grab it, and if you have a question, my number's there too. Gap number 3, business interruption. You're only half protected. Property insurance covers the building. Business interruption covers the business. If you don't have both, you're only half protected. HVAC contractor's facility catches fire. Property insurance pays to rebuild. Rebuilding takes 4 months. During those 4 months, 0 revenue, but payroll still due, rent on temp space, equipment leases, loan payments. Lost revenue, $340,000. Ongoing expense, $180,000. Property insurance paid $280,000 to rebuild. The other $520,000 out of pocket. Most owners underestimate 2 things: how long recovery takes and how much they lose during that time. Typical small businesses lose $8,000 to $10,000 per day during downtime. Pull your commercial property policy right now. If you don't see business income or business interruption, you don't have it. And if you do have it, verify the limits. Monthly revenue times 6 months. That's your minimum. Update this every year as your revenue grows. A policy written at $500,000 doesn't protect you at $1.2 million today. Gap number 4, professional liability, E&O. General liability covers bodily injury and property damage. Professional liability covers mistakes that cost clients money. 2 completely different risks. Marketing consultant advises a client on a major campaign. Campaign tanks, the client claims the advice was negligent, sues for $250,000 in lost revenue. GL carrier denies immediately, not their problem. Consultant pays $47,000 in defense out of pocket, settles for $85,000. Total, $132,000. E&O would have covered it all. The claim doesn't even have to be legitimate. A frivolous claim alone can cost $30,000 to $50,000 to defend. If your business provides advice, consulting, design, planning, any professional service, GL stops protecting you and E&O becomes a mandatory cost. It costs anywhere from $1,000 to $3,000 a year. One claim, $100,000 to $500,000. Gap number 5, equipment breakdown, the hidden shutdown risk. Property insurance covers disasters. Equipment breakdown covers the systems keeping your business running. One failed unit can cost you $50,000. Restaurants' commercial refrigeration fails overnight. Food spoils, $12,000. Emergency HVAC replacement, $38,000. Shutdown, 10 days. Lost revenue, $45,000. Property insurance covers none of it. Mechanical breakdown isn't a covered peril. Total out of pocket, $95,000. Equipment breakdown covers repair or replacement and business interruption during downtime. Many owners have the equipment part, but not the business interruption part, which means they're covered for the $40,000 replacement, but not the $60,000 in lost revenue while it's being installed. It costs $300 to $1,000 a year. One major failure, $50,000 to $200,000. Here's what I've seen in 20 years. Owners identify gaps, intend to fix them, get busy, put it off. 6 months later, breach, lawsuit, breakdown, claim. They call asking to add coverage retroactively. Can't be done. The financial loss is painful, but knowing you could have fixed it for a few $100s a month and didn't, that's worse. Total cost for comprehensive coverage across all 5 gaps, $2,000 to $5,000 a year. Total cost of one insured claim, $100,000 to $500,000. Pull your policy this week. Go through it all. Cyber, EPLI, business interruption, professional liability, equipment breakdown. Call your agent and ask specific questions, not generic ones. If your agent can't walk you through this with you, call me. I'm in Northwest Ohio and Southeast Michigan. This is what a real commercial insurance review looks like, and most business owners have never had one. Fix it now, not next quarter, before everything costs you. Now that you know the 5 gaps, watch my next video where I show you exactly what questions to ask your insurance agent to make sure they're actually covered in your policy.